So hey, how's it going? And welcome to the first edition of I promised something in my previous video and I actually made it. This episode is brought to you by a sudden surge in serotonin and the caffeine in my blood.
Few weeks ago.
This made me realize that this would also work as a 2-axis gimbal, because we don't need the third axis because I don't know, we just don't need it. And yeah, it would cost way less than a DJI or a... So then I actually got to it. First things first, we need to take the 2-axis setup from my last video and slap it on to this big ass wooden rod. And since that solderless breadboard is huge, I need to solder my own. And then after duct taping a bunch of random electronics to it, you have this abomination. It's got the batteries and a bunch of electronics. So basically, the logic behind this is that I get the angle by which the gimbal is tilted from the accelerometer / gyro sensor / magnetometer, and then change the angle of my two servos based on the angle at which it is tilted. And then you just connect this wire with that wire and you have a gimbal which is 10 times cheaper than a DJI.
Have you ever gotten tired of holding your own phone? Have you ever wished you had the steadiest hands in the world? Have you ever wanted to record footage like the pros do? Smooth as Ferraris. We present to you a hideous wooden stick with motors and countless design flaws.